Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Scratch back with Texas Scratch and Match. Hope everybody's having a dope day. Today, we're doing a $100 vending machine challenge. Just so happens to be all brand new tickets. So we're gonna run it down like this. We have two of the $20 jackpot millions. We've got number 4 and number 3. We've got two of the 200X $10 tickets. We've got numbers 38 and 37. The Super Loteria, brand new one, $5 ticket. We've got numbers 62 and 61. The new $5 ticket, $500 Frenzy, got 58 and 57. Got a pair of the double doublers, $5 tickets, number 13C and 14E. And 5 of the Neon 9s. We've got number 55 through 51. So it's gonna be a fun challenge. Let's see what we can hit. I'm gonna start with the lowest denomination. So for these, game up here, match the lucky number to any of the numbers, win the prize. Reveal 3 matching prize amounts, win that amount. If you get 2 9s, 3 9s, 4 9s, or 5 9s, you get the bonuses. So let's see how it goes. Our lucky number 17, we've got 20 and 28. See if we can get 3 matching prize amounts. Looks like nothing on that one. We'll scan and double check it. These ones says Sporting Texas Veterans. I don't know what percentage goes to vets or how it helps them out, but hopefully it does some good. Same rules apply. We've got a 6, 18, and 3. We've got 30,000, $5, 9. 30,000, $50, $4, $40, $40, and $2. What a tease. Oh, got overall odds are 1 in 4.48. Top prize odds are 1 in a million. So we've got 5 of these. Hopefully we have something that hits a little better than just break even. Lucky numbers 15, we have 16 and 28. Down here we have a 9, $10, $4, 30,000, 5, $40, $4, $4, and $2. All right, we hit double on this one. $4, $4, $4. Got some of it back. For the Neon 9s, number 52, we've got 28, 25, and 9. We've got 40, 10, 30,000, $2, $5, $10, 1,000, 30,000, and $4. Nothing on that one. Just a singular 9. All right, for our last of the Neon 9s. These really are pretty dang bright and neon in real life. We've got number 1, number 3, and 18. Down here we have 500. $10, 20, 30,000, number 9, 20, 50, 40, and 500. All right, we hit on 1 out of 5 for the Neon 9s. Just kind of to be expected. Now let's try these double doublers. For this one, we need to match a symbol. Get the symbol that's in the shape, the lucky symbol that's in the star, win double the prize. Reveal a money bag, win 4 times the prize. Overall odds are 1 in 4. Top prize odds 1 in 1.2 million. Scratch dust all over the place. It's pretty humid out, so everything's sticking. We've got gold, rainbow, heart, pineapple, and a safe, hat, wishbone, moon, a bird, elephant, cake, bolt, balloons, cactus, horseshoe, a daisy, ladybug, umbrella, we got a win, a boat, and a tree. All right, y'all, we got a matching umbrella. Let me zoom in here. Let's see what we have. I'm trying to get this to stop shaking real quick. All right, for our umbrella, $5 double doubler brings us $5 break even. All right. Still got 1 to go. Not bad. 1 in 4 odds. We hit 1. 1 out of 2. So again, same rules apply. We will see what we got. Crown, apple, melon, bolt, heart, banana, pineapple, butterfly, rainbow, cherry, daisy, shell, some grapes. Didn't even know they had grapes. A moon, balloon, bar, cactus, tree, a wallet, and a diamond. So nothing on the second double doubler. We weren't able to double but we singled good enough. Our next $5 tickets are the $500 frenzy. So for this one, we need to match any of our numbers to the winning numbers. Win the prize for that symbol, reveal a 5x or 10x to win 5 to 10 times the prize. Overall odds 1 in 3.98. Top prize odds 1 in 1.7 million. I'm going to do our numbers for, or the winning numbers first. We have 37, 8, 34, 4, and 26. 19, 18, 7, 37. We got a win right there. 3, 28, 29, 39, 16, 38, 33, 17, 24, 9, 13, 27, 30, 23, 32, and 15. All right, first win on $500 frenzy. Got matching number 37. Let's see what that brings us. Got 10 bucks. Double it up. Double up, fam. And zoom back out. All right. And now number 58 of $500 frenzy. And we're gonna do our numbers first to see if we have a fun 2x or 5x symbol hidden under here. This is sliding off real smooth. All right, just got some numbers. Let's see if we got another match. 9, 39, 40, 26, and 23. Doesn't look like we have a match on there. As always, if I miss something, be sure to let me know. All right, now we've got the Super Loteria. This is a remake of a previously existing ticket. I've been doing this one for a while now. So we've got a main playboard up here, a calling card. We're going to unveil these and see how many we can match. And we've also got some bonus games down here to see if we can match with separate prize amounts. Overall odds are 1 in 3.77. Top prize odds 1 in 2 million. Somebody's got to win. Might as well be us. So let's see. We've got a horse and a rattlesnake. What about up top? Do we have a horse? Yeah. Everybody see a rattlesnake? What about down here? Got mosquitoes flying all around. Horse and rattlesnake. All right. Next we have the mortar pestle and chili pepper. Up top, do we have either of those? Nope. Down at the bottom, we have the mortar pestle. Let's see, chili pepper, no. What about fire and the lizard? Up top, do we see any fire? No lizardry. And down here, we have the lizard and the fire. Game 2. The hen and the jackrabbit. Up top, we have a hen. Jackrabbit. Down here, we do have a jackrabbit and a hen. The maracas and the roadrunner. Up top, we have the maracas in the 500 row. Maracas and the roadrunner. Down here, see either of those. The saddle and the oil rig. All right, up top, got a saddle. See any oil? Down here, saddle. We have a saddle in game 1. No oil. The boar and the cowboy hat. Got both of those up top. We've got a cowboy hat in the $100,000 column row. And the boar. Boar and a cowboy hat. Nothing down here. The guitar and an armadillo. Rolled up to the top. We've got a guitar. We have an armadillo. Guitar and an armadillo. We've got a guitar down here. All right. The horseshoe and a bat. Horseshoe and a bat. Nothing up there. Down here, we've got a horseshoe. Got to win on the first one. Horseshoe and a bat. Right on. What about cherries and a piñata? Up top, we have a piñata, and a $5 win right there. Cherries and a piñata. Nothing down here at the bottom. And our last scratch is the Lone Star. Lone Star up here. All right, so we got a $5 win on our main playboard. And down here, let's see what we got. Brings us another $5 to double it up for $10 on a $5 ticket. That will break even for these. Let's see if we can keep going. Run it down while we still have some daylight ahead of us. All right, same rules apply. We're gonna start off with jackrabbit and a saddle. Up top, anybody see a jackrabbit? I see a saddle. Down here, jackrabbit and a saddle. We've got the cowboy and the spur. Up top, see a spur, cowboy. What about down here? Down here we got the cowboy right there. spur. What about strawberry and ham? Strawberry and ham. We got a hand right here. No berries up there. Some hot berries. Strawberry and a hand. Nothing right there. What about the fire and a newspaper? Up top we have the newspaper right there. Nothing fiery. Down here we have fire in game 2. Just the one of each. The guitar and the sunset. Guitar and the sunset. Got both of those up top. Guitar, sunset. What about down here? None down there. A mortar pestle and a cowboy hat. Start with the bottom. Down here we do have a mortar pestle. Don't see any hats. What about up here? We have one at the tippy top. Hatless for the day. We got some shoes and an armadillo. What about up top? We have a pair of fancy shoes right there. Shoes and an armadillo. We got an armadillo down here. Cherries and a horse. Start at the bottom. We have a horse. And up top we have a horse. No cherries. A rattlesnake and pecan tree. Down at the bottom we do have a pecan tree. Up top the rattlesnake and the pecan tree. See neither of those. Alright, the maracas and the spear. Up top, do we have a pair of maracas? Nope, no spear either. Down here we do have a spear. Alright, and for the last scratch, we have the chili pepper. We've got one up at the top. Unless we got the Roadrunner by mistake. I believe that is bust. Mockingbird, chili pepper, bat. Alright, y'all. As always, if I missed something, let me know in the comments. Scan it and double check them in the app because you never want to throw away a win. Alright, next up we have the 200X. We've got a green one and a purple one, number 37 and 38. We're going to start with number 37. So for these, 30 chances to win. Overall odds 1 in 3.8. Top prize odds 1 in 1.6 million. So we're going to match any of our numbers to the winning numbers and win that prize. Reveal the 2X, win double the prize. 5X, 10X, up to a 200X to win 200 times the prize. Holy smokes. Let's see if we can get one of those 200Xs. Let's see one of those in the real world. We've got 45, 25, 60, 16, 41, and 35. These are the new $10 tickets, by the way. We've got 9, 19, 34, 37, and 40. 28, 8, 26, 11, and 13. 49, 6, 31, 50, 43. 32, 22, 7, 4, and 38. 42, 54, 18, 29, 36. And for the last row, 17, 55, 57, 51, and 24. No matches on there. See if we can get a fun symbol on here. We're gonna do our numbers first, see if we have a reveal of an X symbol. All numerical so far. All right. we have 52. You see it, 53, 51, 54, 59, 58, 47, 47, and 8. Interesting. And this one, 51, 52. All right. I'll double check that as always. I think I missed something on that one. Just kind of breezing through here before while we still have daylight. Double check those. And last but not least, our $20 tickets, Jackpot Millions, $1 million top prize. We have numbers 3 and 4. So for this one, reveal 2 matching symbols in the spin, win that prize. Reveal 3 matching symbols, win 5 times the prize. Down here, match our numbers to the winning numbers, win instantly. Reveal a 10x symbol, win 10 times the prize. Reveal a diamond, win all 20 prizes instantly. Overall odds are 1 in 3.88. Top prize odds are 1 in 1.5 million. Let's see if we can beat the odds today. Up here for spin 1, we have a boat, spade, heart, anchor, rainbow, lemon, banana, lemon, elephant, hat, spade, and a cactus. All right, our winning numbers: 13, 18, 45, 42, and 8. I'll go this way. Number 6, 11, 47, 43, 14, 30, 44, 34, 5, 7, 38, 23, 12, 20, 9, 15, 32, 48, 33, and 28. Nothing on the first Jackpot Millions. And for the last ticket of the bunch, see if we can beat the odds, hit something a little better, close out the session. We have number 4. We've got a hat, an elephant, and a moon, an anchor or horseshoe, and a cactus, a pineapple, elephant, and a boat, club, a banana, and a bolt. My little buddy Mountain, my outside cat, just pulled up, so you may hear him meowing in the background. All right, our winning numbers are 16, 3, 6, 45, and 37. All right, y'all, over 87 million in prizes. Let's get a bit of that. Hey, buddy. Good afternoon. We've got 35, 13, 26, 43, 1, 28, 48, 19, 9, 46, 21, 2, 5, 31, 32, 14, 7, 44, 30, and for the last scratch is number 38. It's a bust. All right, y'all, so there you go. Didn't hit much on $20, complete bust on that. Bust on the $10 ones as well. We hit one of each on the $5. 1 out of 5 on the neon 9s. So yeah, we got 29 bucks back out of 100. So there you go, y'all. Till next time, never place a bet you can't afford to lose. Peace.